Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.